Had a feed, now it's time to go out and explore this town and see what I can discover, see what I can do. Jeez, it looks beautiful, doesn't it? I could just look at that for hours. Just what I might end up doing. Anyway. So there's no end of taxis, water taxis, right next to the cruise ship, which you can see just there. So I'm guessing you could barter your way to anywhere you really wanted to. I've got an excursion going out in a boat later on today, so it doesn't feel like a necessary need for me at the moment. But I can tell you, I can see some waves out there. Wish I thought about going for a surf. Righto, so I've walked out of the port a little bit. And I'm already kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's just a kind of sparse parking lot. There's an airport around the corner, so there's hikes you can do, but it looks like you can't hike from the port. And then I'll find a way to hike from the port. So it seems like the thing to do is to get a boat of some description, whether or not you rent it yourself, which I've seen some people do, or you there's water taxis, and just head out somewhere. The thing that's disappointing me the most is that way out there, I can clearly see really good surf. So I've seen this before where it looks awesome and then you get out there and it's a close-out reef break and you can't surf it. But it does look like there's some boats sitting on that reef out there. And I'm just thinking, oh, I'd do anything to go for a surf out there, so wish I looked more into that. I've got an excursion this afternoon, so that's kind of what's held me back. But I definitely just stuffed around too much this morning. I just didn't sleep last night, I just stuffed around this morning, shot some bits of the review and just was a bit scattered and just didn't really get out early enough. I was just like, well, today's the first day that the only day I think where I don't have an excursion first thing in the morning. So I should make the most of it. But now I'm just gutted that I didn't get out and get amongst it straight away, because maybe I could have just found my way out there. Maybe I could have gone for a surf. Either way, I'm going to keep walking and exploring and then have a look at the back of the town, see what I can find, and then get enough K's under my belt that I've actually earned the right to go back and have some more food before we go on this excursion this afternoon. But wow, what a beautiful, beautiful place this is. Look at that. It does look like you could probably jump off here and have a snorkel if you wanted to. I can't see why you couldn't. And it doesn't look awfully fishy, but there are fish in there. It wouldn't be anything like the atolls, or the islands out there. And the disappointing thing is that the ship hasn't got its back door open, so you can't use the kayaks and stuff when you're in port by the looks of it. I'll check that, but yeah, because I would have just got a kayak and just kayaked over that island. Or that island. Or anywhere. Check it out, there's a little skate bowl. Phew. Alright, I found something here. Probably about 15-20 minutes walk away from the port. Let's see what it is. So about, 15-20 minutes to walk away from the port. There's a swimming hole over here that all the locals are using. Looks pretty nice actually. Do have my swimmers. They could just drop straight off there. Be alright for some snorkeling, I think. This big cultural dance happening in this huge tent over here later on by the looks of it. And there's a bit of it's a Saturday here, but there's a bit of a cool fun vibe here. But if my sense of direction's right, I'm now walking back towards town through one of the back streets. I just thought it'd be good to kind of get an idea about what the local houses are like and how people live. There's a lot of small houses on quite big blocks of land with nothing else really around. Obviously a lot of boats. Everything seems to be very catered to getting in the water for reasons that shouldn't be a surprise to anyone. And you've got this giant mountain looking down on you. It's so lush. Not really used for farming from the looks of it, just big blocks of land. Lots of half-done construction everywhere. Lots of water inlets coming through. Kind of like fibro sheeting housing, by the looks of it. Yeah, the size of the block of land. Very nice pitch actually. Pretty hot out there though. Now if I'm reading this sign right, in case of tsunami, run at 10 kilometers an hour for the hills. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because of me. Now my French isn't very good, but if I understand the word circumscription correctly, this is where you go to get the lid knocked off your helmet. Very nice. So we're coming into the town centre now, a few bigger buildings. Check out this. What a piece of graph. So, no shortage of knickknacks and touristy stuff to buy in here. There's general stores, a pharmacy, all really short walk from the dock. So, easy place to... There's an Express, it looks like a local supermarket. So lots of places to stock up with things if required. Righto, so I finished a bit of a walk around. It's been a couple of hours now. I ended up kind of coming out of the port and turning to the left and then walking towards the airport and just, yeah, then kind of just walked along the front and then went down some back streets and walked down the back. Got to see just a little bit of the local life, I guess. Found a nice little spot for a swim, but then realised I forgot my towel. But like, it seemed to be a local hangout. There was a local cultural event going on. The town itself is not very big. You could probably walk through from one end to the other in about 5 minutes. It's got everything you need though: souvenir shops, banks, pharmacies, and supermarkets. So kind of everything that you'd need if you just want to jump off the boat, which is right there. So it's like literally that's where the cruise drops you off, and then yeah. In retrospect, I probably should have gotten up earlier and hired a boat and just gallivanted off through the water because there's not much to really see or do here in town. You can't get to the hikes from here. Didn't really leave myself enough time to go do something and then to get back for the excursion I'm doing this afternoon. I was just a little bit worried I was going to end up taking the boat somewhere and then going back there again on the excursion. But it just would have been fun, so I should have done it. If I was here with the kids and the family, I definitely would have. But anyway, there's a bit of a tour. Now it's time to go back, have a swim. It's bloody hot, and then get on this excursion for this afternoon.